What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In this basic hip hop dance combo series episode, we're going to finish off our entire series by adding arms to our last 8 count. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today. Hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so in this episode, we will be using episodes 1 through 7. So if you haven't checked those out, make sure to check those out before coming to this one. Alright, so let's kick off this episode by adding our arms to our final 8 count. So as my feet are digging into the earth and we're really feeling grounded there, my arms are going to feel very heavy coming up. So I want to think up and then throw, up and then throw. So in my mind, I want to think constant movement. So I don't want to think stick, throw, stick, throw, but I want to think up, throw. So think you're accenting those snares by going 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'm really trying to accent that little throw. So let's try that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can think of that second step is really accenting that throw for you. That way you can kind of get that into your body. So try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, throw, 1, throw. Very good. So from here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up my arms just because my feet are moving faster. So I'm going to go up and down, up and down. So for this one, instead of just coming straight up, I'm going to add a little bit of a shrug backwards. So my shoulders are going to go back around. So I want to think up and down, up and down. So just try that. So 6, 7, 8, up and down, up and down. And again, like I always say with your arms, really air out those armpits so you don't feel like you're closed off or you're nervous. Really think a little bit bigger with your movement. Okay, so here we go. So 5, 6, from the top of that 8 count, go 1, 2, 1, 2, up and around, up and around. Very good. Let's go one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and heavy throw, up and around, up and around. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, heavy arms and heavy throw, roll your shoulders, roll it back. Let's go one more time. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going heavy throw, up and around, up and around. All right, so let's go ahead and take it from the top of your third 8 count. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Going ricochet back, pull on over, ricochet back. New 8 count and heavy throw, up and around, up and around. Very good. Okay, let's try it from the second 8 count. Again, if that was hard, go back to your third, combine it with the fourth over and over until you get that. So from the second 8 count, here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going pockets, and in, out, up, and ricochet back. Pull on over, ricochet back, pull heavy arms, heavy throw, up and around, up and around. Very good. Okay, let's take it from the very top. So the very top. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7. Arms open, close, open, close. Now to your pockets, down and down, in, out, up, and ricochet back. Pull on over, ricochet back, heavy arms, heavy throw, up and around, up and around. All right, so let's try that again from the top. I'll turn around so you can get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going open, close, back, forward, back. New 8 count, down and down, in, out, up, ricochet back, pull on over, ricochet back, pull on over, heavy throw, boom, and back, round. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one. Again, you really want to feel very heavy when you're picking up your arms and also make that throw really accent that snare. Second thing is, as I'm bringing my arms up, I just don't want to bring it up and down, but I really want to add a little bit of shoulder movement just to make your movement look a little bit bigger, okay? Second takeaway is you made it through the whole series. You made it through 4 whole 8 counts. So again, I'm all about breaking it down to little chunks first and then combining it so it's less overwhelming, right? So you want to almost think, okay, I'm gonna get the feet down for this 8 count, then add the arms. Next 8 count, get the feet down, add the arms, then combine those 8 counts, and so on and so forth. So really just take whatever you're doing with dance when you take a class, try to break it down to smaller pieces, almost like what we call chunking it. That way it doesn't feel like I have to do this giant combination, but really you're just doing a pattern of different chunks. All right, so I would love to see all the progress you made and your outcomes from this entire series. So go ahead and post up a video, make sure you're tagged at Darren R. Wong, and also hashtag Hip Hop Dance Series 2. So I can see it, I can give you lots of props, show you some love, and all good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss out on a video, and go ahead and comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!